Today I have a recipe from up north from the state of Himachal. It's served during weddings and it's extremely popular and is tangy and spicy in flavor. So let's see the recipe for Himachali Hara Chana Khatta. Generally, this recipe is made with Bengal gram or brown chana. You can soak it, pressure cook it and add it into the gravy. But since we have Hara Chana, fresh Hara Chana in season, so that's what I'm going to use today. So I have over here 250 grams of Hara Chana and now I'm going to pressure cook it. Add in half a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 cups of water. Cover and pressure cook this for 2 whistles. While the Hara Chana is cooking, let's quickly start with the gravy. So in a pan, I'm going to add in half a cup of mustard oil. In this recipe, you need a little more oil. You can even use ghee or any kind of oil that you have at home. Turn on the flame. Let's add in cinnamon, 2 to 3 cloves, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Let all the whole spices cook in the oil. Let's add in 2 green chillies. Just break them and add it in. Half a teaspoon of Asafoetida or hing, 3 tablespoons of besan or gram flour and cook properly. Cook the gram flour on low heat. Let's add in 1.5 tablespoons of rice flour. Make sure you cook the flours till they turn slightly brown. 2 whistles are up. Let's turn off the flame. Fry the flours nicely. You can see that the gram flour has turned brown. At this point, I will add in 1 onion finely chopped. Cook the onion till they are nice and soft. Once the onions are cooked, let's add in 2 tablespoons of tamarind pulp or imli pulp, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of amchur powder. Fry the spices for a few seconds. Once the pressure cooker has cooled down, let's open it. Let's add in the chana and the water. Keep stirring so that there are no lumps in the gravy. Now let's add in the chana as well. This gravy will become very thick, so we need to add some more water. Let's add in 1 small piece of jaggery. This is optional. If you wish to add, you can add it. Some more salt. Give this a good mix and let it boil for 2 minutes. A lot of people also add in charred walnut powder. So you can take a couple of walnuts, burn them on the flame and then powder it and add it to the gravy. And then you get a nice deep dark brown color to it. This has come to a boil. Let's add in the final ingredient, which is coriander leaves. And this is ready. Turn off the flame. The most important tip for this gravy is to cook the flours properly in oil on very low heat. Do give this fine recipe all the way from Himachal a try. Let me know how it turned out. Enjoy it with some rice or even rotis. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.